The power of belief. Your mindset matters. Starting a side hustle is more than just launching a business. It's about embracing a new way of thinking. It's about believing in your ability to create something amazing, even with limited time and resources. It's about understanding that success starts with your mindset. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. It shapes your thoughts, influences your actions, and ultimately determines your results. A positive mindset can fuel your motivation, helping you push through challenges and setbacks. On the other hand, a negative mindset can hold you back, creating doubts and fears that prevent you from even starting. Before you dive into website design, product creation, or marketing strategies, take some time to work on your mindset. Believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Embrace the challenges that lie ahead as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, starting a side hustle is a journey, not a race. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards your goals, fueled by a belief in yourself and your vision. Fueling the fire. Finding your side hustle passion. Passion is the fuel that will keep your side hustle burning bright, even when the going gets tough. It's what will motivate you to work late nights and weekends, to push through challenges, and to celebrate every small victory. Think about your interests, hobbies, and skills. What are you naturally drawn to? What do you enjoy talking about for hours on end? What problems are you passionate about solving? Your side hustle doesn't have to be your lifelong passion, but it should be something you enjoy and find meaningful. It should be something that excites you, that you're eager to learn more about, and that you're proud to share with the world. Don't be afraid to explore different options and experiment with different ideas. The more passionate you are about your side hustle, the more likely you are to stick with it and achieve success. Beyond the paycheck, the perks of side hustling. While financial gain is often a significant motivator for starting a side hustle, the benefits extend far beyond the extra income. Side hustling offers a unique opportunity to explore your passions, develop new skills, and gain valuable experience outside of your day job. It allows you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and make decisions that align with your personal and professional goals. This newfound autonomy can be incredibly empowering, leading to increased confidence, self-esteem, and a greater sense of control over your life. Moreover, side hustling can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and networks. It allows you to connect with like-minded individuals, learn from industry experts, and build relationships that can benefit you both personally and professionally. Section 4. Cultivating a success-driven mindset. Cultivating a success-driven mindset is crucial for side hustle success. It's about embracing a positive outlook, believing in your abilities, and developing the resilience to overcome challenges. Start by setting realistic goals and breaking them down into smaller, achievable steps. Celebrate your accomplishments along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's supportive friends, family, or a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. Remember, setbacks are inevitable, but it's how you respond to them that matters most. View challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Section 5. Conquering challenges, turning obstacles into opportunities. Every side hustle journey comes with its fair share of challenges. You might face time constraints, limited resources, or unexpected setbacks. The key is to view these challenges not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth and learning. Time management is often a major hurdle for side hustlers. Start by identifying time-wasting activities and implementing strategies to improve your productivity. Consider waking up earlier, utilizing your lunch break effectively, or dedicating specific days or evenings to your side hustle. Don't be afraid to seek support from family and friends, delegate tasks when possible, and prioritize self-care to avoid burnout. Remember, building a successful side hustle takes time and effort, and it's essential to pace yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Section 6. Unveiling your niche. Identifying profitable side hustle ideas. Finding a profitable side hustle idea that aligns with your passions and skills is crucial for long-term success. Start by brainstorming your interests, hobbies, and areas where you possess valuable knowledge or expertise. Consider the needs and wants of your target audience. What problems can you solve? What services or products can you offer that would add value to their lives? Research current market trends, explore online marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon Handmade, and network with other entrepreneurs to gather inspiration. Remember to choose a side hustle that genuinely excites you, as your passion will be contagious and attract customers to your business.